Hello. In this video, we will learn how to use filtered searches and also how to create and organize your shortcuts. You can use filtered searches on your platform to locate actions to be taken, find initiatives in the Explore section, or create customized reports to fit your needs. For this tutorial, we will be searching for initiatives in the Explore tab. First, click on Search Parameters. Then select Add Filter. You can apply one or multiple filters. The button on the right of some filters allows for an advanced search on these criteria. Let's look at an example. We will search for initiatives with a status of awaiting decision or approved, authored by either Benoit or Tom, and assigned to a plan where the site Montreal plant is within the scope. Once your filters are selected, you can choose options for displaying results. You can find more details on display options in the tutorial dedicated to that feature. Finally, click on Search to view all initiatives matching the filters you applied. By clicking on Search Parameters again, you can review, modify, or remove your filters. If you make any changes to the filters, you'll need to rerun the search. To save this filter selection, click on Custom Search. Select New Shortcut, name the shortcut, and save it. The display options you selected will also be saved in your shortcut. By clicking on your shortcut's title, you'll find your other shortcuts. To the right of each shortcut, a pencil icon allows you to edit the name or delete it. In each of the 3 tabs that allow filtered searches, you'll find quick access to shortcuts for each section by clicking on the bookmark icon to the right of each tab. Depending on your homepage configuration, you may also find all your shortcuts there. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.